Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain about planar circuit and a non-planar circuit. So if I give any circuit to you, it is very important to know that whether this circuit belongs to a planar circuit or this circuit belongs to non-planar circuit. Because in our coming classes we are going to discuss about different techniques to find some unknown parameter in the circuit. For example, we are going to discuss about mesh analysis and super mesh analysis, and at the same time we are going to discuss about nodal and super nodal analysis. So by using all these techniques we can find unknown parameter in the circuit. For example, when I am applying mesh analysis to any circuit, the mesh analysis can be applied only for what? A planar circuit. So here our super mesh analysis can be applied only for planar circuit, and there are so many techniques like that. For example, here I have given a circuit to you. Suppose for example this circuit is what? Non-planar circuit, and I am giving non-planar circuit to you, and I told you to apply mesh analysis to find some unknown parameter. Even if you apply mesh analysis to non-planar circuit, you cannot find the unknown parameter, because what is the rule for the mesh and super mesh analysis? The mesh or super mesh analysis you can apply only for what? Planar circuit. Now it is very important the given circuit is belongs to a planar circuit or non-planar circuit. You have to understand that. Now see here, as per the definition, a circuit is said to be planar if it can be drawn on a plane surface without crossover. Crossover is means what? Suppose here we have two branches R1, and here see this R2. Now this R1 and R2 has what? A crossover. It is crossing like this. Suppose any circuit can be drawn on a plane surface without crossover, the circuit is said to be planar. And this is exactly opposite to what? Non-planar circuit. For example, non-planar circuit, you cannot draw on a plane surface without crossover. Now I'm going to draw few circuit so that we have to understand the circuit belongs to planar or non-planar circuit. So here I am using a voltage source, simply two resistors. So this is Vs, and here we have R1 and R2. Now in the circuit, is there any crossover between R1, R2 and Vs? No crossover at all. Therefore, the circuit is what? A planar circuit, and you can apply mesh analysis. Yes or no? Yes. Now in order to explain more, suppose here I have added a two more branches to this circuit. This is R3 and R4. So still the circuit is what? Planar circuit, because no crossover at all. Suppose here I have added another branch, that is R5. Now still it is a planar circuit because no crossover between element to element. Now here I am going to add another branch. Still this is what? Planar circuit. Now no crossover at all. I'm adding another branch. Now yes, still it is what? Planar circuit. For example, here I'm going to add another branch like this. Suppose this is what? My R8. Now no crossover at all from elements to elements. Still the circuit is what? A planar circuit, and I can apply mesh analysis to find unknown parameter. For example, here I am going to add another element. Suppose that is R9. Now say this one is what? Planar or non-planar? See, R8 and R9 has what? A crossover. Therefore, this circuit is what? A non-planar circuit, and you cannot apply mesh or super mesh analysis to this non-planar circuit because R8 and R9 has some crossover like this. I hope you understood how to classify the given circuit is what? Planar or non-planar circuit. So here I am going to draw another circuit to explain more about planar and non-planar circuit. So here we have what? One circuit. Still this is what? A planar circuit. Now here I am going to add another element. Now see, you can see a curved line. This curved line indicates in the circuit, that means it doesn't have any contact. Suppose see, these are two wires. It seems crossover, but if you see like this, there is no connection between these two. The curved line indicates what? No connection between two wires. Now see, if whenever you see here, suppose if you consider this is R1 and R2, you may feel that R1 and R2 has crossover. Therefore, this is what non-planar circuit, but that is what wrong statement. Now the same circuit I also can draw like this, right? I also can draw this circuit. Suppose the same circuit, I am using this R1 here and I have connected here. Is there any difference between this circuit A and circuit B? Nothing, no difference at all. So the circuit A is equal to circuit B. But the thing is, I have connected like this. Therefore, this A and B circuits are what? Still a planar circuit. For example, if I draw another element, if I add another element like this, now see here, there is no alternative. Even if you redraw the circuit, it is not possible to convert this non-planar to planar circuit, because here R3 branch and R1 branch has crossover. Therefore, the circuit is what? Non-planar circuit, and you cannot apply mesh analysis or super mesh analysis to find some unknown parameter. Okay, so I hope now it is clear what is planar and non-planar circuit. Okay, thank you.